been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Welcome back to the William fam. So today is just another, well, I guess somewhat busy, chill day. I got a few errands that I got to run. I have a couple of things. I got a little bit of a list of things that I need to get done. I'm currently, well, as you see, I just got up, got dressed, showered and everything, and I'm waiting on hubby to get home from work. Yeah, because I got a few things and I gotta go pick up. I got some packages as well I gotta go pick up. Hopefully everything comes in on time for my launch. I'm hoping, because you already know, people that have business, how shipping, and just not even business, how shipping goes. Anyways, just waiting on stuff. So I am up. I've been up working since morning, since 5:30. I generally get up same time the hubby's getting up, and that's when I set my alarm for. So I'm up now. I'm going to my bed early, which hopefully that helps me so I could get better sleep. And now I'm up earlier through the day, and then we try to go to bed early, maybe not on weekends, stay up a little bit later. But we have a lot going on. So I have packages coming in today, so we gotta basically sort through those and get those done. But now I got, well, team is here, so everybody's going to help. The kids are still in school, they're almost finished, and it is chore day, so all of that is getting done. So I just currently finished cleaning the bathroom as well, got all done, room clean. The kids have their chores to do, so after they're done school they will start their chore. And yeah, outside looks okay, but yeah, you say in Canada looks can be so deceiving. So technically I don't know how nice it is outside. It looks nice outside, the sun's out, but you could go outside and it could be extremely windy. So I gotta go pick up some of my packages, so I'm also waiting on that as so I gotta, so the packages, some of them, they're on their way. I have a few coming this week, next week. Hopefully I'll have everything that I need by then. And yeah, I just got a few things that I have to sort out. So this last bit is going to be busy. And yeah, so, and there's just been a lot other stuff going on behind the scenes that I also have to take care of as well. So yeah, and I don't even know what else we're up to for the day, but if we're doing anything exciting, I will definitely take you guys along. But I guess I will probably take you guys along for the ride when hubby comes, and we're going to go out. My hair was a little bit wet when I tried curling it, but it is what it is. Right now I'm going to sit down. I have a video to do for my other channel, so I'm going to sit down and get that done just now, out of the way. I think I have 2 videos to do, so I'm going to get a head start on that. And I have to do some checks, make sure that I have the right amount of stuff, and yeah, so, and respond back to some emails quickly before I leave out to go. And I also have to go get some storage bins, so that is what I am going to do as well. So yeah, but I guess enough talking. I've been talking to you guys for almost like a good 4.5 minutes, so I will get back to you guys when we are on our way out. Time to see how dirty you are. So hey guys, Mr. William just picked me up and he's looking like a dirty bus. Oh gosh, that's okay. My cleanness will carry both of we off.
Tell the people what you tell me is that just now. Is that make sure you don't put me no camera when me look so dirty, you know. Hello, you know people see you you're dirty and not just that. Exactly, cause look exactly. But you usually are working on white, but you're in a grey. That's the only difference. Boy, there is some hectic traffic. The place I needed to go, I wasn't able to go because, well, Mr. William ended up being late and the place is extremely far, so I'm going to have to wait. How come you left? Well, him left work that time and then, but you didn't reach me until 3:30, at 3:35.
Oh gosh.
Right? You can't come so close or cut close to the time when you know say place go close. I know say I know you run the road and it's busy outside. So unfortunately I'm going to have to try and do that another day because I have to pick I physically have to pick it up. Yeah. You didn't know that was a police station? It is busy out here. Well, everybody I try to kind of get out and do what they need to do. The traffic is crazy. Crazy underneath the bridge. Anytime we come underneath the bridge, you know what it reminds me of? You know the movie? What's that movie where like you see them always come out of the car and then they fight? The movie with the guy. What is that guy from? He was on. He talked about him catching COVID on, he has the British accent and he was like driving that, remember when he was driving the bike, that souped up bike? Can't remember his name, but he's in a lot of movies. I forgot what the actor name is, but it just reminds me of that when they came out and they were like warring, like they got out of the car and literally started fighting underneath the bridge and then they were okay. What? No, you did there, yarn off your face.
Yeah, because you see me on. You look on camera, but you know you see me on.
Tell me if you see your yarn for your yarn.
Go look up on the video, but I know you don't see me on.
So me have to see
light
yarn.
on
You
me.
just go, hoo, hoo. Yeah, I heard it. Don't look at me like that. Is it disgusting?
There you go.
Yeah? And you are talking about if me hot in a my coat. So why are you wearing the two? And you say you're hot. If you're hot, then you take off the two off your head. What do you mean? How doesn't it have nothing to do with it? Eh? How does it not have nothing to do with it? So sorry, I told you guys that I would come back on when Mr. William picked me up. I was actually doing some stuff because we picked up the packages and I was going through some stuff and I started working, so I got a little bit of a head start before Mr. Williams comes, so that's what I was initially doing. What? Are there so you're going, you know?
Where?
No over there, so?
Over there? So I'm going to go over there. You know where I'm go over there?
You know, say you only for talking.
I was somewhere here. You know, see ya.
You know, buy. See him gone over there.
Yo, that man is terrible. You know, see that while ago.
Follow him.
No, you know, see when he will go bed on he's something.
For sale? Yeah, I see him.
Jesus.
Oh my gosh.
Not a good sign.
Why?
See him come, see that so. I bet I'm a black man. Yo!
You're so disgusting.
Yo, come on. It's money for them. Are you invasion? I'm going to go drive for them.
Really, babes? You're really gonna drive over there? Look. Look at this, guys. Mario really deliberately wants to drive over here. I don't police. Look at Mario want to drive over all the pigeons. I'm right here. You see when you talking?
I'm running that crowd.
Oh my gosh! Look, they're all having a meeting. You know, see them having a
I'm
meeting.
meeting
there.
about Corona, you know? I wonder what they will do. You see him?
Yes, they have a meeting about Corona. You
Yeah.
want pigeon? Oh, there they go, guys. Whoa. So, guys, we're finally. Well, we decided to come outside. Ooh, look at the sun. Now look at this one. Took over my clothes.
Look better on me anyways.
Huh? What do you mean it looks better on you? No, it looks better on me. You're bright off you
Oh, I
tonight.
mean, like I hurt me, go back inside.
You say your country so you not get cold? Oh, you say Canada only if your country is convenient. Eh? No, only your country is. Alright, so we're going for a nice evening stroll.
Ready, mommy?
Look if you see any fish. Oh,
go
you know I keep. Oh, they're fishing. Yeah. I wonder if the salmon are going upstream. No, somebody's fishing. I wonder if there's. They can't even see. Oh, look, Steve.
Mommy, if I throw my phone over there, would I get a new one? Mario. Ronnie.
Oh, you're right about space. Hmm? Look this one. Yes, I can. You come for contact over the place. Joe.
I'm not burning you down. I'm trying to reach up to your height.
Huh? Mario! Ah! Oh, look at the dog's feet. Oh, gosh. Wait. What are you doing?
You want them? You want them? You're not getting them.
Maybe see, go play, sit in and play basketball.
Doesn't matter if I crease them.
I think it's.
Can I get money for my birthday?
It should be something
Can
this
I get money
season.
for my birthday? I get us buy new ones. Baby, want to get a? Nothing.
I never run out of it.
Thanks to somebody run.
Thank you.
Stop! Mario, you know I love you. You're gonna get fries and chicken strips tonight.
You're not making.
You're right.
Oh,
You know your favorite?
God. Oh, babe, can I play ball?
Midnight. Mosquito out there, mommy.
What is it? So, of course, Mr. Williams' ball field. Fine, he feel half fine. And the guys are still outside playing ball. Guys, he tricked us. He brought us down here. The man walk in his football shoes and bring water bottle so he could come play ball. Eh? So you want me to sit here and watch all these men with their shirts off play ball? Eh? Hello, a fool in fool. What do you mean? Let's go. Eh? Yeah, but you're warming up when you're running, of course. What you have to say to the people them? You say bring me out here for come play ball? Eh? What you have to say to the people them? The people them. What you have to say? What you have to say? You have course your hands cold. Huh?
On a Mario, you're such a liar.
On a purpose of spite. After no knowing there.
Oh yes, Mason.
What do you mean what me about? So you see what you're doing? Eh? So what is me? Me are the person with a consider on who your belongings.
Mama, make me hold a wallet for him.
You're not knowing the way you want.
The credit card in there, what me want. Not the money. Is your belly fat? We go and go sit down. No, no, no drop. Even though I would.
Oh gosh. Memphis, you gonna play ball?
And because I don't care about football.
You can take off your sitting there playing there. Boat, no boat. Mary, I forgot buy you one shoes like that if you go play with him.
No, you can't play with like this is Sunday. Sunday morning, so you to play some man play with them so wonderful.
No, it's just me and Memphis that are pretty much sitting here watching Mario play soccer. Memphis is wearing his dress his dress shoes outside because Mario literally tricked us. I guess he just wanted company to come with him. Mario tricked us, guys. Like, he literally tricked us, but that's okay. I got something for him. I've been holding off, but yeah, I might just let the cat out the bag for him. And he might not like it. So now we're generally just sitting here. The girls went to the park, so they gone to go play.
Wish I knew what's on your mind. That I wouldn't think it's something I want. If you get more of a time, yeah, we both might just get what we want. Too scared to love me. Tell me what I did this time. Why is it I was all for you? I wish I could read your mind. I don't know if you want me to come over. I don't know if you want me to come over. Don't wanna ask, really I should know better. I don't know if you want me to come over.
We just got in and yeah, I'm about to, well, get some work done. I took a little bit of a break just to get some stuff done, had some time. I gotta go through these inventory and make sure everything is up to par and looking the way they should be looking. So that is pretty much it for the night. I'm just gonna do a little bit of work and then hopefully we'll be able to have our movie night tonight and just relax and enjoy each other's company. I think we're trying to see if we can watch the new what is it called, Venom, I think, the new Venom movie. So we're trying to find a movie to watch. So we're just actually throwing on some quick homemade food and yeah, gonna watch some movie, and that's pretty much it. We were gonna go out, me and Mario were gonna go play pool, but I don't know if that's gonna happen considering he was just playing soccer. So yeah, maybe we'll just yeah, watch a movie and spend the rest of the night with the kids. That man, maybe tomorrow night we will go play pool. We'll have a me and his date night. So if I don't come back, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the William fam, where it's always a vibe over here. I love and appreciate all you guys, and thank you all for the love and support. And thank you guys all for the love and support on our last video, you know, telling us congratulations, and I hope our business go well. We just like to say thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys all in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.